Google Ads can be a powerful tool for businesses, but it's easy to make mistakes that can hurt your campaign's performance. Here are some of the most common mistakes people make when placing Google Ads. Number 1. Not using conversion tracking. This is the most important mistake you can make. Without conversion tracking, you can't measure the success of your campaigns. You won't know which keywords are driving leads or sales, and you won't be able to optimize your campaigns for the best results. Number 2. Not using smart bidding strategies. Smart bidding strategies are a great way to automate your bidding and get the most out of your budget. They use machine learning to automatically adjust your bids in real time based on your campaign goals. Number 3. Using small audience sizes. When you target a small audience, your ads are less likely to be shown. This can lead to higher costs and lower results. It's important to target a large enough audience to get the most out of your campaign. Number 4. Not using remarketing audiences. Remarketing allows you to show ads to people who have already visited your website. This is a great way to reach people who are already interested in your products or services. 1. Number 5. Not testing different ad variations. It's important to test different ad variations to see what works best. This includes testing different headlines, descriptions, and call to actions. Number 6. Not optimizing your landing pages. Your landing page is the first thing people see when they click on your ad. It's important to make sure your landing page is relevant to your ad and that it's easy to navigate. Number 7. Not using negative keywords. Negative keywords are words or phrases that you don't want to trigger your ads. By using negative keywords, you can improve the quality of your traffic and reduce your costs. Number 8. Not using ad extensions. Ad extensions are a great way to add more information to your ads and make them more visible. They can also help you improve your click-through rate and conversion rate. By avoiding these mistakes, you can create more effective Google Ads campaigns that will help you achieve your marketing goals. I run Google Ads for Clint. If you want to improve your business or company by launching good advertisement at low cost, then contact the email given in description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and get new videos and grow your business.